Now that your Viome test kit has arrived, what comes next? Your test kit has an ID code printed on the outside of the silver box and inside the instruction booklet. You'll use this code to register your kit online. Keep the instruction booklet with your kit ID printed on it for future reference. If household members are also using a Viome test kit, please be careful not to mix up your materials, as they are specifically linked together. Your test kit is unique to you. Register your test kit by visiting viome.com/register or download the app for iOS or Android smartphones. Once your kit is registered, you will be prompted to create a Viome account. Each individual, including minors, will need their own unique email address to create an account. Your test results will be released into your app or online web portal, so please make note of your Viome account username and password for future use. If this is a retest for you and you already have a Viome test account, click on the login link, then follow the prompts to register your new kit. You are now ready to collect your samples.